Hi everyone, I'm so excited to officially show you how to take your curls from flat and dry to juicy and hydrated with our very first, the official Hydra Curl Styler. This product is a silky, soft cream consistency, so think vanilla soft serve, and it does two things. It moisturizes and it defines your curls to ensure you're hydrating your hair first, but then you're also sealing in all that goodness with a shield-like cast. So you want to start first by removing your safety peel. Then take the product and apply a nice amount into your hands. It's always easier to add than to subtract, so just apply a little bit and then you can always add on if you want more. Then I like to work through into sections, so always go through with medium-sized sections. That way you're making sure that you're applying the product through all even parts of your hair. I personally like to rake and shake because it works with my natural curl pattern, but if you prefer to twist, comb, or finger coil, then that works perfectly fine as well. When you do this though, like I said, just keep going through sections, apply water if you need to. Water is your best friend through this process, and you can start to see my curls really come out. They start to feel really hydrated, and I just like to go over sections that I missed. This also ensures at the very end I don't need to go through all my hair, and I'm also again working with as much water as possible. So I like to go through and apply more product. I like to finger coil any bits like around the front of my face, around my hairline that may be a little bit more stubborn. So I go through and I apply more product and water when necessary. And then once you've worked through all your sections, you can either diffuse, hood dry, or air dry depending on the results and time, etc. My preferred styling method is using a hooded dryer or a diffuser, and that way I'm sealing in the deal straight away, locking in that moisture. Here my hair's about 70% dry, and you can start to see the results really come through. Wait till it's 100% dry. The volume is there, the definition is there, and the hydration is there. So I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait for you to use the Hydra Curl Styler and to share your results with me. Thanks guys, lots of love, and see you in the next video.